Hello everybody, my name is Byu-I, and this is a short introduction to Xampp. So we're gonna start. Sometimes we have the question in our minds how to build dynamic websites, because we know how does a static website looks like. When developing static websites, you can simply load your HTML files directly from your hard disk into your browsers to see how they look, because web browsers can understand HTML code by themselves. And we can see this with Google Chrome, with Mozilla Firefox, and with Safari and others web browsers. We doesn't need another software to see how our web pages look like. When it comes to dynamic websites built using PHP and MariaDB, our web browser needs some help. This process requires a server. Okay, but when we heard this word, when we heard a server, we usually think in big computers. But we can run a server in our PC, in our laptop, in our computer, and this is done with Xampp. Xampp stands for Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. In this case, Apache and MariaDB, they are servers, and they run in the background of our computer. Xampp is used as a development tool to allow website designers and programmers to test their work on their own computers without any access to the internet. Can you imagine to upload your work to your server, and then you notice that your code doesn't work as you want, and you need to rewrite it again, and then you need to submit again? Wow, this takes too much time. So a server, in this case Xampp, helps a lot to do that, because it's a local server, and it is a simple, lightweight Apache distribution that makes it simple, extremely easy for developers to create a local web server for testing and deployment purposes. I'm going to show you how to install Xampp on your computer. You can open your... Okay, the first step is you need to open your browser. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. Then we type the web page for this Apache friends.org. When we are in this web page, we go to the section download. In my case, I'm using a Windows OS, but if you are a Linux user or a Mac user, you can choose the one that fits for you, and it automatically appears. I'm gonna save, but I actually downloaded this this program, this package, so I'm gonna cancel the download. I will open my download files and just click upon the Xampp program. As I stated before, it is really simple to get Xampp in our computers. we just need to click on next, next, and next. But there is a warning. If you have MySQL installed before on your computer, you must disinstall it, because the default configuration won't work. This is the warning that I told you. Click on next, next. This is the default folder, and next. In my case, I have this folder full because I installed it before this. But when you click on next, the installation starts. Xampp is the solution to have non-static websites, to have dynamic websites. I know that in this time we need a lot of information, and we require information from the people who visit our webpage, or the webpage for the business we are developing. So having these technologies and having these tools will help us to improve our code. It will help us to code really good software. If you want to know more about Xampp, or if you have even more questions, you can go to the book PHP and MySQL Novice to Ninja in the chapter 1. This book is really nice, and you can find more resources, and even you can understand even more about Xampp. I hope that this video will help you to understand even a little how to start to work with Xampp in this course. If you have a question, just let me know, and I'll be there to help you and assist you.